My name is Zandra, also known as Piece of Scrap. I'm a reseller on eBay, Poshmark, Facebook, Mercari, and Amazon. And what that means is I buy items low at garage sales and thrift stores and flip the items online. I've been a reseller on eBay for over 20 years. However, I do make great sales on Poshmark, Mercari, and Facebook. Stick around and let me show you what I mean. We're going to start out with my gross sales for last month. I had over $6,800 in gross sales. You can see that over here. My cost of goods sold across all platforms, Amazon, eBay, Facebook, Poshmark, and Mercari, was $660.92. My shipping paid, the actual ship charge that I did pay the post office, was $916.14. I do charge the buyer shipping, which you will see in the items that I mention in just a little bit. The fees to sell on these platforms was a little over $950. So my net profit, that's the profit that I put in my bank account after all fees and cost of goods sold, $4,280.06. So now let's see what I sold last month. This is just a sampling of the items. It's not everything. I did sell over 100 items last month across all platforms. So this is just a sampling that sold on each of the platforms. We'll start on eBay with this Traxxas remote control truck. I purchased this at a garage sale for $5. It was listed for just a little over 1 month. I had it listed high at $245.99. The buyer sent me an offer of $200 plus $50 shipping, which I did accept. So again, I charged the buyer $50 to ship it. The actual ship charge was only $29.61 via UPS. So I did make some money on the ship charge. My profit on this one item, $182.89. Now in the description, my husband and I, we did test this out and we included the video in the description. We had quite a bit of fun testing this puppy out, but decided it would be best to sell it instead of have it for our own personal use. I did receive quite a few lowball offers on this item, but I knew with Christmas right around the corner, I would get the price that I was looking for. The next item is a Harley Davidson tank shirt, plus size. I also purchased this at a garage sale for $1. I sent an offer to Watcher for $34.92 plus $7 shipping. I, in my mind, know that that's an offer to Watcher because it ends in 0.92. So when I send out offers to Watchers, I always add that. Just in my mind, I know that they accepted the offer to Watcher. I charged the buyer $7 to ship it. The actual ship charge was only $3.57. So my profit on this tank shirt, $31.90. Just curious, do you all charge shipping to the buyer or do you offer the free shipping? I've always charged the buyer shipping and have not had a problem. And then with returns, I also charge the buyer return shipping. I just don't understand the whole free returns policy. To me, that makes no sense. The buyer should have some skin in the game. The next item to sell on eBay is a Spider winter coat. Now, mind you, this did sell in July. I've had it listed since April. I paid $5.25 for this. I had it listed high at over $79. The buyer sent me an offer of $50 plus $12 shipping. So my profit on this, $38.01. Now this is a packable winter coat, which adds to its value, and it is reflective as you can see here. The next item is a pair of fresh produce plus size capri pants. I came across a lot of this fresh produce apparel at Goodwill one day. Evidently someone had dumped their entire collection of fresh produce apparel. Many of it was new with tags. I paid $3.50 for this. It sold for $27.73 on promotion plus $7 shipping. So my profit, $22.04. This is what that tag looks like if you're interested. The next item, I took a chance on this. I've been watching YouTube videos myself and have seen where people sell members only jackets at quite a profit. This one, while I did make money, it wasn't as outstanding as I thought it would be. I thought it was a vintage members only jacket. I paid $3.50 for this at Goodwill. I had it listed for a little over 1 month. I sent an offer to watcher for $17.92. Again, with the 0.92, I knew that was an offer to watcher, and I charged the buyer $10 shipping. So my profit, $15.52. So I'm not real sure if I come across this brand again, if I would pick it up for a $15 profit. I'm not sure. I don't know. What do you all think? Do you sell members only? Leave a comment down below and let me know if it's a yay or nay. Now the next item I'm sure you've all heard of, UGG. Now this is a pair of UGG clogs, a smaller size 5.5. I paid $5 for these at Goodwill. They sold on promotion for $43.97 plus $11 shipping. So my profit, $32.25. This is what they look like. They were in pretty good condition. There's a little scuff on the toes, but other than that, they were in good condition. The soles looked great. The next pair is also a pair of shoes. This brand is Keen. It's a hiking trail river shoe. I paid $8 for these, so I did pay up at Goodwill. They sold for $49.60 on promotion plus $12 shipping, and they did sell rather quickly within 2 weeks. So my profit on these, $33.27. The next item is a new with tag pair of Woolrich slippers. Now again, this sold in July, and these are wool slippers. I paid $4 for these. I sent an offer to watcher of $29.92 plus $9 shipping. So my profit on this, $22.10. I do list items year-round regardless of the season, and here you can see exactly why. I sold a winter coat in July as well as these wool slippers. Now we're going to bounce over to the Poshmark sales. Again, this is just a sampling of the items that I sold on Poshmark. First up is a Vera Bradley backpack. I paid $3 for this at Goodwill. It is in used condition. It sold for $42 on Poshmark plus shipping, so my profit, $30.60. I picked this up primarily because it is a backpack and we're going back to school. The next item to sell on Poshmark is a Cabela's pullover. Again, this is a winter item, a hooded sweater. It sold in July on Poshmark for $32 plus shipping. I paid $3.50 for this. It's been listed for about 3 months. So my profit, $22.10. The next item is a summer item, a golf hat. It's a new with tag tailor-made golf cap. I thought TaylorMade was a pretty good brand, and having it new with tags, I thought it would go for a little bit more money, but I've had it listed since December. So it sold for $20 on Poshmark. My profit on this, $14. I paid $2 for the new with tag cap. Goodwill did mark it up because it was new with tag. Usually their baseball caps are just $1. Now let's bounce over to the highlighted Facebook sales. This first item I also picked up at a garage sale for $5. I had it listed on Facebook Marketplace for $69 plus shipping. The buyer sent me an offer of $55 plus $26 shipping, so they were $81 all in. My actual ship charge via UPS was $19.80. So my profit on this after fees and cost of goods sold, $58.20. Again, this is a Halloween item that sold in July. Those of you that follow me on Instagram may recognize some of these items from my Instagram story in a game I like to play called Buy or Pass. Now let's see what you all said I should buy and pass on. 46% of you said I should buy the blow mold pumpkin, while 54% said pass. 59% said buy the Vera Bradley school bag, while 41% said pass. 39% said to pass on the fresh produce pants, while 61% said pass. I don't always listen to my Instagram followers, and I did purchase all three of these items. If you don't already follow me on Instagram, go ahead and check it out. I'm at piece.of.scrap. The next item to sell on Facebook is a pair of Dansko sandals. I've had these listed since May. I paid $3 for these at a thrift store. They sold for $30 plus $9 shipping on Facebook. So my profit, $33.90. This is a pair of plus size Torrid denim jeans. I paid $4.25 for. They were listed for about 5 months. So again, they were listed for a little bit longer than I wanted. They did sell on Facebook for $30 plus $9 shipping. So my profit on these, $23.80. This next item is a Harley Davidson plaid shirt. It's a sleeveless shirt with pearl snap buttons and embroidery across the back. I paid $5 for this at a garage sale, so I did pay up for it, but I knew I could get more than $5 out of it. So it did sell on Facebook within 1 day for $35 and $5.50 shipping. So my profit, $27.83. Then I will highlight one sale on Mercari. I did make more sales than just this on Mercari. Again, this is just some highlighted sales that I've had across all platforms for last month. I use List Perfectly to cross-post my items from eBay to Poshmark, Mercari, and Facebook. If you don't already use List Perfectly, you can go ahead and give it a try. Use my code pieceofscrap to save 30% off your first month's subscription. I will include my affiliate link in the description below. Feel free to cancel it anytime. There's no obligation, but I do love List Perfectly. It makes cross-posting very easy and efficient and saves me so much time. This is a swimsuit tankini top by this brand. I'm not even going to try to pronounce it, but it's a plus size. I paid $3.50 for this at Goodwill. It's sold on Mercari for $28 plus shipping. So my profit, $20.59. Next, I will highlight just a few of my bad sales. We all have them. These are either long tail items or items that I picked up that I thought should sell for more money, but just didn't. This is Pink Rose stretch jeans. This is actually from my own personal closet. I heard someone on YouTube say Pink Rose was a thing, so I went ahead and put these up. Evidently, it's not that big of a thing. I accepted an offer of $8 plus $6 shipping. They had been listed over 2 years. So my profit, $7.65. I would not be picking up Pink Rose as a brand to resell intentionally. Next up, the sale was on Poshmark. New with tags, I thought it would sell well. It's a boys Wrangler 10 Slim jean. I thought it would be perfect for school uniforms or just regular school clothes. I paid $2 for this at Goodwill. It took over 1 year to sell. It finally sold on Poshmark for $10. So my profit on these new jeans, $5.05. It could be the strange size. It is a 10 Slim, so that could have been what held it back. But I don't think I'd be picking up new with tag Wrangler for youth again anytime soon. And the last item also sold on eBay. This is a 2-piece Torrid set, plus size, glitter and glam. I thought it would be nice for a formal occasion at the end of the year. I was wrong. I paid $3.50 for this 2-piece glittery set. It took over 6 months to sell. I accepted an offer of $14 plus $7 shipping, so the buyer was $21 all in. My profit on this, $10.24. I've had great success selling Torrid. However, this just sat in my closet. I just shared with you 19 items that I sold on eBay, Poshmark, Mercari, and Facebook. This is just a sampling of the items that I sold during the month of July that resulted in over $6,800 in gross sales. If you learned anything from today's video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and while you're at it, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my next video. I will link another What Sold video here. Continue watching.